So standard operating procedures, John, what is your definition of SOPs, standard operating procedures?
Oh boy, to define a standard operating procedure, I want to start with its effect. If you're a business owner and you want to create a consistent experience, a high quality experience for your clients, and a scalable business model for yourself, and also an opportunity for you to grow a brand as a result of all of those things working together, you're going to want SOPs. Standard operating procedures, simply at the end of the day, are checklists. In your head what it takes to provide a great service. Down to when you get to site, make sure you knock on the door of the client and let them know you're there. Little things like that, if they're captured in a checklist, that when you are looking to go and grow and scale and build with another crew or whatnot, here's the checklist. Here you go, and follow this and that sort of thing. And as long as they follow that, that the client is going to get a consistent experience. And that's been a real secret for Everline, as we've generated thousands and thousands of pages of content related to all this sort of stuff. And it's really truly key in this industry, because there's just so much out there. Where as we all know, the fly by night kind of guys out there, you will stand out above the rest.